what you can see here is you can put your account names here, which region, and then start putting, how many EC2s, how many gigs you have on those attached to those EC2s, SQL server sizes, RDS, Oracle, SQL Server, DynamoDB, S3 buckets, EFS, FSX. So obviously this is sample data, but as you can see here, there's a breakdown of all of the various tiers that are being used. Everything here that says N2W is kind of where our technology comes into play in terms of the cost savings. And obviously at the end of the day, the number came out as $47,000. Where if you would go with AWS Backup, would be almost more than twice. And here you can also adjust the region. So if there's any specific regions, like Singapore, for example, pricing is a little bit different. Maybe China as well. So you can play with this. And obviously, one important thing that you need to remember is the assumptions of your growth change. Okay, it can be 1%, 2%. Let's put 2% just for the sake of the demo. And as you can see, we kind of grew up here significantly on the cost. Basically, as I mentioned, we templatized this, and we will be sending this out in the thank you email or kind of the recording email. So feel free to use it for yourselves. And again, play around with it. It's pretty fun. I even got addicted to it, and I'm not the person that does that most often. Now, in addition, I wanted to mention everything that Sebastian said and showed here. If you want to have like a dedicated session with our SEs, you're welcome to reach out to us and we'll organize a session. We'll help you do the data lifecycle management. We'll give you some best practice tips on how to do this. So, feel free to reach out again, and we're going to do this with you.